I'm quickly starting the vlog. I'll put it on the screen where I am. I haven't got a clue how to pronounce this name. It's Llanrwst, I think it is. And I've got the little cottage across the road, all in autumn colour with the bridge. And I'm doing like 15-second exposures, 20-second exposures. So I will put on the screen the results, and then we're going to head to Great Tails Waterfall, I think it is, just across the way. So I'll catch you there. Would you look at that? So I am near Llanrwst in North Wales at the Grey Mears Trail Waterfall. Thank you very much to Thomas Griffin Photography on Instagram. Go and check him out. Amazing wildlife and landscape photographer. Go and check him out. He put me onto this, and another one further down the road, Fairy Falls Waterfall, something like that. I'm going to go and check that out in a bit. But this place, I mean, wow, look at this. Got it completely to myself. I mean, that's a shot in itself, just there like that. That is a beautiful shot. So I'm going to take that along with obviously the falls. There's various compositions you can take here. There's a level just on the path I can take, just up there. There's a level just higher up, which I'm going to have a look at. And then we've got, obviously, me being me. I'm in my wellies, and I'm going to be taking numerous shots in here. There's little falls on the right hand. There's little falls on the right hand side. All little beautiful little cascades coming. Oh, just heaven. And I've got the place all to myself. There is a couple, no, they're not even there anymore. There was a couple of park rangers who were fixing one of the paths to this place. I've just been having a chat to him at the car park. Lovely lad. Andre, his name is. Lovely lad, Welsh lad. Told me about a couple of lakes that are hidden away off the tourist path. So I'm going to show me on the map where they are, so I'm going to go and head up there after this as well and just make the day of it here in Wales. So I'll get on with taking a couple of compositions, and I'll obviously get you on and show you them when I'm set up. I am truly blown away by this place. We've had some rain here in the last few days, so the flow on this is just perfect. Absolutely brilliant. It looks so cool on the back of camera. So we're on, I've just got a polarizer on just to take some sheen out of the water, and we've got a f/16 and we're around a second at the minute, and that's making the water coming towards me like freeze and look all milky. Just beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So I think I'm going to take another shot of this and do a pano. I'll do a 3-shot pano just to capture everything, and then I'm going to move up high to the first path shot and then up above to the second path shot. Unbelievable. Right, so I've come up to this higher elevation, which is on the actual main path. So I've been in the water, I've come to this middle bit, and I'm going to go to the higher bit. There are some trees in the way on the higher bit, so may not happen, but from this point here, I can see everything. I actually think the shot in the water was lovely, with all the autumn leaves and stuff. You saw me sprinkle some of them around. But because I was so low down and the falls are so high, I had to angle the camera a little bit and use as wide as I could. And I don't know whether it was the best of shots, whereby this position here is really, really nice. I can see all the falls right to the right. I can see the height. I'm not as wide. I think I'm on 19 mil. F16, 3 seconds, ISO 64. Still just got the polarizer on, just to take the sheen out of the water in the bottom left, and just to add a bit of colour into the leaves. But other than that, no filters at the minute. I thought I was going to use a grad for the sky, but I've actually cropped the sky out. There are trees above the falls which give a nice little framing to the top. So yeah, looking quite nice. So this is the only composition from here really, a portrait shot from here. If you did a landscape, you'd just be having all this deadfall in the right hand frame, and over there it's just bushes. So the portrait shot from the middle, I think, is the winner up to now. So I'll let you decide that, and you can tell me in the comments if I'm right or not. So I'll put this shot up now, and then we'll move up to the higher section and just see what we can get up there. I've come up to this third elevation point, which is just the path above the main path. Got the camera set up on a tripod, simply because what I'm looking at is a vertical comp. The falls are framed beautifully in between a lot of foliage and plants and things, but we've got a breeze basically. So I've taken the filters off. Well, I only had the polarizer on. I've taken that off, and I've stopped it down to f5.6. And I'm on 30th of a second, just to give me more of a freeze frame shot. So the water has got a lot of, because the water's flowing so fast and I'm still freeze framing it, it's still got a bit of movement in the water because it's flowing so heavy. So I'm still getting the water that I like, but I'm managing to freeze frame the foliage around it as well. That's how I've overcome this, because I know if I was doing a second exposure, everything would be blurred around it. So I'm waiting for the wind as well to blow this top section up out the way. It's not happening. So I may have to climb up, put it on a timer and just hold the tree out the way while the shot takes, and then I can drop the tree back down again. Well, the branch. Drop the tree back down. Jesus, how strong do you think I am? So I'm going to try a couple of these comps with these different framings, and if all turns out well, you'll see hopefully another good shot. Absolutely amazing falls. There's a lot more falls here. There's some little cascades just down here in the foreground, and then they lead to like a man-made weir, which looks pretty cool, but I'll leave that for another trip, so I've got something else to photograph when I come. But yeah, thanks for watching this week. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, much appreciated, and like and comment, and I will catch you next Sunday at 10 AM. Cheers.